everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aaliyah, and in today's video I'm going to be doing wall stretching hacks. So ways that you can stretch just by using yourself and the wall. So I have a few of them. I may have done some in previous videos, but this will just be a nice refresher, and I do have more that I'm not going to include in this video in other videos, so go watch some of my old videos and maybe you can find some secret hidden wall stretching routines. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. Then I also include wall stretches. Also, be sure you stretch before doing this video so you can try out all these different stretches. I recommend doing a full body stretching routine like my morning or evening routine. The evening routine is a bit harder than my morning routine as it stretches you further with oversplits and stuff. So if you're a beginner or more advanced, then you can do a morning stretch routine or evening stretch routine. So now, without further ado, let's get started. The first one that I'm going to be doing is walking my hands on the wall in a back bend. So if you don't have your back bend yet, this is a great way to practice falling back into your back bend. And it's also, if you do have it, even if you're super advanced with your flexibility, it's a great way to stretch out your back. You can also use this with the Stretch It Out ladder. And if you don't know what the Stretch It Out ladder is, then go watch my dance equipment ideas video to figure out what it is. And it's also in some of my other videos too. So if you see it in the thumbnail, go watch that video. So yeah, let's do it. You can also do regular handstands and contortion handstands against the wall. So allow me to demonstrate. Put your hands further away to do a contortion handstand against the wall. Now I'm going to put my leg up against the wall and push my hips towards the wall. You can do it standing up or the other way, having your head down. So I'll show you both ways. You can also use a doorway and put your foot up against the wall like I did with your hands down, and then walk your hands up so your back is arched, and then grab your leg, which will help with your scorpion. So yeah, there are definitely a lot more stretches that you can do with a wall, but that's it for today's video because it's like a little short video. Comment down below if you want me to do a part 2, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that video and all of my future videos, and go watch some of my previous videos to stretch and work on getting new skills. So that's it for today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!